my gosh. Purple. Oh my god, I forgot my gloves. Ah! I'm about to do something very brave or very stupid. I am going to be coloring my hair at home myself for the first time ever. I'm not really scared for my hair, I'm scared for my bathroom. So this is pretty much virgin hair, and I have gone ahead and bought 2 boxes of the Clairol Color Crave Orchid. And it says it is a semi-permanent for brunette, blonde, or bleached hair. It says it lasts for 15 or more washes. I think mine is kind of medium brown or light blonde color, so I'm hoping I'll get this color. Maybe like her. I'm just excited to try, see if I can do this myself. It's only like $8 a box. So I got 2 boxes, that's 15 bucks. And if I can do it myself without ruining my bathroom, that's a really cheap and fun way to play with your hair without damaging it, and it's not a commitment. Just want to have some fun. You know, I've got 3 kids, I'm bored.
Here we go.
I've got my hair kind of sectioned off, washed and towel dried as per the instructions. I've got kind of like garbage bags up. I'm scared. Here's the tube, there's nothing to mix. Comes with a brush and gloves. Oh. Nice fit. I feel like I'm gonna do surgery.
Oh my gosh.
It's a bad idea with no help here. So this is how much is in 1 tube. Oh my gosh. I don't know what I am doing. Purple. I'm finding it easier to just do it with my gloves because I can't really feel what I'm doing with the brush. On my ear, on my neck. I'm gonna try to rub off here. Okay, well, now I'm just kind of like putting it in like a
shampoo.
At least it doesn't seem to be like splashing around as much as I was worried. My hair is too long for this. What am I doing? That's really cool, kind of purple. Kind of lathering it on in there. I don't know if this is how it works. This is a trial and error. Tube number 2. So what do we think? Is this gonna turn my hair purple or like not really do anything? Be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below. Ah, let's see if we can get this off. It's really creamy and thick. I'm really nervous how bad my neck is stained right now. So how's my technique, guys? I think I'm good. Set the timer I'm gonna do. It said 20 or 30 minutes. I'm gonna go with 30. I'll see you in 30 minutes. Here's one tip. Line your sink with a garbage bag. It made a nice place to just like throw everything without having to worry about it staining anything. I'm just a wee bit paranoid. You see all the garbage bags taped around. But here we go. It's time to wash out. I'm doing cold water. Oh, the water's beautiful blue. Not purple. Oh my god, I forgot my gloves. Ah, my gloves. Oh, it's in my ears. Oh, my hands are black. Oh my god. How long does this take? Oh, it's purple. Oh, my tongue is purple. My arms are purple. Ah, it's in my eyes. Oh, this is the best part at the salon when they wash your hair for you, because this is bad. It's still blue. Oh my gosh. It's not clear yet. My tub is blue, guys. My tub is blue. Not totally clear, but I don't know if it's ever going to be. Well, that was an experience. Look at my eyes. That's from mascara, not from hair dye. That's not good. I'm gonna have to scrub that. So here it is, the final hair. It is really dark. In some spots, it's like really purple if you get the sun on it. Some are more blue, and there's some kind of grayish, which I don't have gray hair yet, so I'm kind of like, oh, what did I do? It's fun, I like it. Worth whatever it was, 16 bucks for the 2 boxes. It didn't stain anything. I was able to get the bathtub stain out. First I tried hand sanitizer.
Didn't work.
Then I tried nail polish remover, that also
Didn't work much.
Then I tried bathroom cleaner without bleach, and that
Didn't work at all.
And finally I just poured on some straight up bleach with some water and scrubbed it and let it sit for 5 minutes, and it's totally gone. Good as new. And more sunlight. Woo. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and be sure to subscribe and comment. Have you dyed your hair any crazy colors that you recommend for my hair color? What would you like to see next from our channel? See you next time. Bye.